Here's the update on our house. This is part 2. So obviously, as you can tell, we have painted. We used Zinsser on everything, primed everything, tried to seal the smell basically in the walls, the smoke smell and whatnot, this is actually interesting. So obviously these are 2 different colors. You don't notice it really in person, but on the camera you can tell quite a bit of difference. Painted the handles on the doors, of course, taped off the doors, or the windows I mean, and painted all that, primed it all, painted it. Floor's a little squeaky, gotta do something about that still. Got all the cabinets and doors off, or not the cabinets, the doors for the cabinets are off and ready to be painted tomorrow. New microwave. And today, so pretty much every room is painted upstairs. Actually, every room is painted upstairs. Put in a new bathroom fan. Still gotta get new lights in here, obviously. Back up a little bit so you can see it. Then today, I started laying flooring. That's what I've been doing all day. My first time laying vinyl plank flooring. However, it so far so good. Except when you get to the doorways, that becomes quite a chore. So it's looking pretty good so far. Really haven't, I'll show you downstairs, but we really haven't done much. I don't remember what I showed in the last video. We haven't done much downstairs because we're not worried about that right now. We're just trying to get the upstairs livable. But we did pull off all the paneling. And then we also pulled all the sheetrock down low. And a lot of the sheetrock in here as it was moldy. So we wanted all the mold out for obvious reasons. Haven't done anything in here. In the bathroom, we tore out quite a bit of stuff. Again, all moldy, got rid of the vanity and stuff. And then the funny thing, the toilet would not flush. Let me turn the light on. The toilet would not flush very well. And so we got one of these at Menards, a toilet auger. And look what was in the toilet. Like a measuring scoop. It was clear down in the toilet, so it would flush, but barely. I mean, you could barely even flush water down it. It was just very slow flushing. And so got that out of there, and obviously made a huge difference. Works about as good as new. Here's all the cabinets getting ready, cabinet doors and drawers getting ready to be painted. My mom scrubbed on them all day. They were very greasy. They just hadn't been cleaned for a while. So that and those doors, they got to be painted tomorrow as well. So anyways, thanks for watching part 2. Hopefully part 3 will come soon, and I'll have a lot more flooring down. Thanks for watching.